Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week technically is week 3, but I'm gonna put it as week 2 because I recorded a video talking about my crochet plans for the week. Didn't crochet any of them. What else? For some reason, I let my boyfriend borrow my camera. Sorry, my hair looks crazy. I let my boyfriend borrow my camera and he changed all the settings in it and completely just... Why is this not in 4K actually? Give me a sec. Anyways, back to normal. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference in quality, but whatever. But I let him borrow my camera and he completely changed the settings. And if you look at my last 2 videos, they're very blue. I don't know why. Whatever. Mind you, he's a professional videographer. Like not one of those like kind of hobbyist. No. Why is he looking at the door like that? No, like fully a professional. Like there's videographers and then there's him. He's all the way up here and still ruined my camera, but whatever. But I currently just finished a project. I started a bunch and I hate all of them. So you and me are gonna figure out what I wanna crochet this week. Actually crochet it. The reality of being a crochet pattern designer is actually hitting me because trial and error is kind of frustrating. And I'm also just, it's not typically frustrating. I don't mind doing trial and error, it not working out the first time, but it's just one of those like period coming up, like everything's not working out. It's a type where I would go to my favorite food place and they wouldn't have my food. Like it's just one of those weeks. So we're gonna literally try to take deep breaths and make it through here together. I'm contemplating what I want to make. Sorry, I'm laying on the bed so it might shake, but I don't know what I want. I definitely kind of want like a rainbowy vibe, but I also want to use the yarn I have here. But I was also contemplating maybe using cotton, but then I uncontemplated using cotton and just decided to use the yarn I have now. And also next week is July 4th, so I kind of wanted to do something with that. But then, I don't know. I have red and blue. I could incorporate a mesh. The thing is I always do stripes, so I kind of don't want to do that. Maybe what I could do is a star mesh. Mind you, I have no idea how to even crochet a star, but we're going to figure it out. A star mesh red and blue stripe pattern, maybe. What I would do is I would learn how to crochet a star and then I would just do the design around it and then somehow turn it into a square, or maybe not even turn it into a square, maybe just sew it wherever I feel like it, and then I could wear that for the July and then wear like a white bra underneath. But I'm generally trying to figure out how I'd make that into a square. Or maybe I'm kind of feeling, I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling because I have very intricate ideas that are impossible to write patterns for, that are also really annoying to record for. Like, your girl kind of just wants to crochet. I'm feeling very down and very discouraging right now, which is so unlike me because I've been having before Miss Hormones is on my way, I've been having a really good week. I've been really good, great, happy. And now Miss Hormones is just like, let's squash her desire to have joy in life. So, I don't know. But that's going to be one of them. We're going to try to figure out a July 4th star, possibly star top that I can make. I can wear the white bra, like just a white bra underneath. I just made a pink one and the mesh was too mesh. I actually did, there's not a word for it, but it's like, you know how, this is the best way I can explain this, but you know how triple crochet is called triple crochet because you have to pull through 2 loops twice? I don't know if y'all understand this, but this is just, I don't know, you know, bear with me. But triple crochet is because you pull through twice, but you wrap around, you yarn over twice, and then you pull through 2 loops 3 times. So that's triple crochet, right? I did a quadruple crochet, I guess. So basically I yarned over 3 times and then I chained 3 and 4. So it basically made a perfect square of 4 by 4 by 4, right? That mesh was too big. Like it it just didn't look cute. I didn't like how it looked. So I'm contemplating if I want to do that same stitch. I recently made a top, which maybe I should just show you guys because maybe I'll include that in the next video. But I made a top, let me grab it. Where is it? I'm gonna still show this in the next video, but this top is really cute, right? I used my light just died. Don't mind the lighting change angle. And my camera's about to die, but anyways, right, the top. So what I did for this top is I started off, which if you want to buy the pattern, hopefully it'll be posted. I don't know if, yeah, we're gonna try to have, it might not be posted. It's gonna be posted. This video is gonna come out tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so it's gonna come out tomorrow. The pattern's probably gonna be either posted tomorrow or Monday. So who knows? But either way, I start off with double crochet, triple crochet, quadruple crochet, quintuple crochet. I'm making up these names, I don't know. Quintuple crochet, septuple crochet, whatever, right? So I just keep increasing it over and over again. And it came out really cute. So I'm thinking what I might do, but I only did a chain 1 in between, which is why it still looks cute. So that might be the vibe. Or maybe I don't do one at all. Maybe I just do them next to each other. Yeah, that might be cute. I might just do a really stringy crochet and not even do a chain 1 in between. Yeah, okay. See? Guys, we're not gonna have a light. Let me open my blinds more. All right, we have natural sunlight, whatever. Yeah, so that'll be for one project. I did also really want to do a pink project, but I feel like a solid one is kind of basic though, but I might have to go for basic. I don't know. And some of these are giving, I don't really want to do a sweater. Like I'm not in the mood to have to do sleeves and all that. So they would still have to be regular tops. So I don't know. I'm literally contemplating. So what I might do a solid. I have this pink yarn that I'm looking at. This is what I just made my top out of that didn't work. That is evidently leading to my crash out, but whatever. So we might use this pink yarn to make what? What do we want to make with it? I might just do a tank top like I'm wearing now, but very meshy maybe? No, I want something cute though. But I don't really want it to be stripes. My dog is barking because why else? Let's look up inspo before I lose my mind. But like, I'm also just not loving the inspo on Pinterest either, which is a shock. That literally never happens, ever. Now my brother's taking a bath as we speak, guys. I'm telling you, I can't make this stuff up. I literally can't. It is killing me that AI is now in the crochet world. Like, I don't understand. I might see, like, I wanted to go for this look. You can't really see, but it didn't come. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling at all right now. Like, that is cute though. And pink. I'm crashing out. Guys, I promise you, it's been quiet all day. The second I press record, loud as heck. You know, that's what I might do. We're gonna make this, we're gonna make regular triangle cups, but tie it in the front, make it a vest kind of thing, and then make it open up so that it's really long and flowy. All right, so 2 projects. We have the star one, then we're gonna have a pink, long and flowy one. And maybe I'll use a cool stitch, kind of cool, not really that cool. Like really, I'm gonna do a double crochet. Who knows? Sorry if the energy's low, you know, I'm really just fighting. I'm fighting demons right now. Generally, my boyfriend has been gone for over 2 weeks working. Since June 4th, actually. And it's the 27th. So 23 days and he doesn't come back for 2 weeks. So I'm generally losing my mind. So if this next video isn't me saying, okay, I got my period, I'm up, like life's good, crocheted everything I want, just know, I don't know. Just know I'm going crazy. Just know that. All right, on that note, let me get to crocheting and have a purpose in life. Crochet is my purpose in life, and I need to find a really good book to read. And then I'll end up just reading the book and not crocheting at all and escaping into words on a page. All right, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm generally going crazy.